My third interaction was going to lunch with my friend Yunji, and this was definitely more just about her education here instead of more activities outside, like playing volleyball and stuff. But it was so really interesting because I was really interested in like how the differences were because she's come so far to come to school here, and like not that it's different for anyone, but like said she was so motivated because she wants to like she only studies like to do well because she thinks that she's come so far like that it wouldn't be worth it like just to come here and not only focus on studies. And she said that she's extrinsically motivated and intrinsically when I told her which one each went, because she said that like she really really just wants to have an education that she's here for, but she said that like extrinsic because she wants to like bring back good grades to her parents. And she said she's an only child, so it's all about like I don't know, just like mostly about her. And she said that when like her classes get really hard, she'll just try to like go over every single note and like try to like if she doesn't understand it, she'll just have to like dictionary each word because she just puts it down as best she can when she's taking notes. And then she'll try to take classes with a friend, just like at least one, so then they don't understand like all the notes that they can like compare. And I guess it's just like that's one of her strategies, that she'll just try to take a class with a friend so they can compare, because if one person doesn't know it, then like maybe her friend does, like maybe Yunji does. And I guess that like kind of is like similar to me. It kind of compares to my education too, because I would like to compare with friends. I like to study with friends. And she said like when she does well, like that is an extreme motivator because like then now she knows she can like get to the next thing. And she said it's like all her effort, like she puts 100% effort in. Like I asked if like she thought it was like luck or effort, and she said completely effort. Like she studies all the time, like always focused on her studies, because she's in like the medical program, so like she is always studying. And like that is really a huge thing, like only to be studying. Like she said she puts all her effort in. Like there's all the weekends, like she always is usually doing homework or studying, which is like really great. And I guess that's just one of her strategies, to just like slowly gradually study all the time, and that just like keeps her motivated. I guess like she is always motivated. And like I told her about like metacognition, and she is very very metacognitive of like how she learns. And she said that like she tries to take smaller classes, and I noticed that like those smaller classes like actually help the focus and like effort level, because I don't know, I feel like on my smaller classes it's a lot easier to put more effort in because your teacher's on like hands-on, like you know your classes. And I definitely can see that it's a little easier for her to learn, especially if she has the language barrier. And she said that like that's completely why, because it's a lot easier to communicate with the teacher, ask for questions. And in like lecture classes it gets a little blurry like for notes and stuff, and then she like wouldn't be able to like to stay on track as much. So she said that she's very cognitive of like trying to take classes like that are like a smaller number that help her out. So I thought these are all interesting facts about her learning experience.